And tonight's very much hands-on, more than most nights. So can you make sure your hands are scrupulously clean?
I am Henry Hoskins. I joined the programme in 2002 to become the chef manager for the house at the time.
So I hear you're making marzipan Rubik's Cubes.
Depends on business I get.
Yeah.
Tonight, being the last night, we want to have as much fun as possible because students all love something sweet. What else could you do but give them chocolates? And we're going to give them a sweet savoury called Petit Fours.
We're going to need probably 120 pieces of that. We're going to need at least 100, maybe 200 chocolates.
So what they're going to do tonight is we have chocolate moulds. They're going to make homemade chocolates, which will consist of chocolate and probably 10 different fillings. And they shall make the chocolates from melting the chocolate, putting the fillings in, then sealing the chocolates, setting them in the fridge, and I'll need them to make approximately 120 to 130 different chocolates with different flavours.
Making a pineapple out of moldable almond stuff.
I make fruits out of Petit Fours, which is done with a marzipan, and then the students actually put on gloves and paint them with food dyes.
I'm making filled mice, so I'm putting peanut butter inside of them, and they'll get another coat of chocolate, so it's like a peanut butter cup, but it's in the shape of a mouse.
While I was here, because the students are only going to be here for 16 weeks, I noticed there was quite a few students getting into trouble after classes because the weather wasn't great, they were stuck in the house, and they needed to burn off some kind of energy. And I said, well, if that's the case, why don't I do some kind of cooking class? So we decided, because the students have study, we'd do an 8-week structured course where we could actually take them through each steps of the cooking process, but at the same time they would be taking something away with them. But at the end of the course it would give them enough confidence to go home, pick up any kind of recipe book and say, oh, I know that terminology, I know how to do that. And hopefully they'll be able to carry it on from there.